Thutha wa kweheria ndagika cia muthia mbere ya muhotani wa giturwa kio president aniriirwo muthenya wa ira riu Makamicina Juliana Cherera, Francis Waderi, Justus Nyang'aya na Irene Masit nimeyumirite oro ringi gukindira ndumiriri yao.
We the underside commissioners of
makiaria na ndikia mohoro commissioners aya marauga maumira ma muthia maria maranirirwo ni muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati mafatie guteanirio na matire na muthingi wothe.
The results of the presidential election held in August 9, 2022 declared and announced by Mr. Wafula Chebukati on August 15, 2022 belonged to himself and do not represent the declaration and announcement by Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission.
Chebukati araniriire William Ruto ta muhotani giturwa-ini kio president thutha wa kumatha kura milioni 7,173 141 ari gicunji kia 50.9 arumirirwo ni Raila Odinga na gicunji kia 48.85 hari igana. No Makamicina yana marauga matina kuruhanio mihango-ini ya muthia mbere ya waniriri uyu.
Did not give us an opportunity to discuss the results. He just said these are the results of each particular candidate. They have scored this and they have met the constitutional threshold, and therefore he is going to read the results.
Come to the last phase, the tallying phase. As I said yesterday, that at the end that there was opaqueness.
Kuitukira ndumiriri yao Makamicina ya maugite ni kurari na thina wa kimathabu uria ungiratumire Ruto ndakanirirwo ta muhotani.
Sote tulienda shule na tukiangalia nukta 0.1 ukiangalia katika valid votes hiyo ni kura 1,140.
Ede ataramu a maundu megie mathabu ni mekiriire nganja na beria anaya maratemania mbere ya muingi makiuga ithabu riri ritiraingirana kuona gicunji kiria maragweta gukorwo gikirite gia gibugu turuma gibugu 1 hari igana kiganaine na kura 1,421 no ti kura 142 ta uria maniriire na uguo kuoneka kwaga kuhutia ithabu rira riratumire rutwanirirwo ta muhotani.
Ukiangalia jinsi mchakato umeendelea ni kura nyingi sana ambazo zinaweza kuleta tofauti. Sasa sisi tumesema yale makosa kama hayo hatukuhusishwa, kwa hivyo
and the statement has indicated 100.1%. The rest is for you to decide. We'll give you the statement to go and look at it.
Oho anaya ni maugite maumirira ma imwe cia cia ubunge itinanirirwo mbere ya Chebukati ahianite rianira ria muthia kuri ya Kenya.
The final tallying of the results was not brought to the attention of the commission.
The screens are supposed to show cumulative numbers of the presidential candidates' votes as they garnered as we continued to read the results, isn't it? The same was not displayed to the public.
Wagweterwo ni kuona ikinya riria anaya megukinyukia na kana ni mekwambika cira igoti-ini wa kurekereria mateta mao.
Okay, thank you very much.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritora kwa neno ngari wa Kamau.